Dollylocks Professional Organic Dreadlock Bee-Free Coconut Pomade. A non-greasy pliable pomade with the finest organic ingredients to nourish hair, tame flyaways, and give your dreadlocks style with hold. Unlike beeswax, our bee-free pomade is water soluble and will easily wash out of your hair, leaving your dreadlocks free from buildup. Especially true if you use the Dollylocks liquid or bar shampoo, as the coconut molecules will bind together to easily wash out. It's perfect for mature dreadlocks needing moisture and luster, helping to repair dry and damaged hair. Made with leap, shea, and mango butters, this product is full of nourishing antioxidants, it's high in vitamins A and E, and has a limited capacity to absorb UV rays as a natural sunblock. It is also packed full of organic oils and plant extracts to strengthen hair and scalp. To use this product, unscrew the top. Just take a little bit onto your hand. As you can see, I'm barely using anything at all. And I'm going to put it onto the palm of my hand and rub my hands together. You'll feel it, but once you can't see it anymore, then it's ready to use. Simply palm your hands through your hair. It is available in light and dark and is a must-have for any mature dreadlocks.